guys, welcome back to Reggie Beatz Media. Today we are switching gears to visuals and I'm gonna show you how to create eye-catching cover art, song art or beat art for your music store or beat store. And guess what? We're gonna be keeping it simple using Canva Magic AI and you can use it for free. So whether you are a seasoned pro or you're just starting out, get ready to level up your art game. Let's get it. Okay, as you can see on my beat store, reggiebeatz.io, I have this nice cover arts that represent my beats, and I feel like it makes my website even look way better, and it just makes the user suspicious to hear how the beat sounds like instead of putting a picture of an artist. That works if your website is only targeting maybe a specific target market. But on my website, I want to target everyone who wants music. It could be a rapper, an artist, a filmmaker. So that's why I'm using this type of images. Okay, so to get started, let's go to Canva. And the link for Canva will be in the description below. You can use this feature for free for the first 50 images. And you can get the pro version if you want to do unlimited images. It's very affordable. It's $12 a month. I use it all the time. It has made my life so much easier than having to pay a designer to make my art for me. Okay, so first thing first, go to Canva. So if you don't have Canva, click on the link in the description below and sign up. And once you're done, you're gonna come to this page and you're gonna go to the button where it says create design. And here you want to choose the Amazon product image. So just type Amazon product image, and we are choosing this one because it has the size that we want. You know, it's like a general size for online products. So when I click on this, it's a square, so it's gonna look good on a lot of mediums. So once this page is open, just go to apps and go up to search Canva apps and type Magic. There it is here, Magic Media. Alright, so this is where it gets started. Now you can see it's a text image AI generator. It says describe the image you want and will generate it for you. Okay, so I want to create an image for Amapiano beat, which is a South African vibe. So I'm gonna try and describe the beat. As you can see, it says include objects, colors and places. So I'll just say Amapiano instrumental from South Africa, make it groovy and cultural and use South African colors. So you can describe it any way you want. If you have the best English, it's gonna understand you properly, but it's just a matter of, so this thing, what it does, it takes keywords and put them together and it tries to figure out what you want. So I think this is gonna be good enough for me for what I'm trying to describe, even though my grammar is not perfect. But we're gonna scroll down and here we have the styles. You can choose from different styles. If you click on see all, you can see your photo, vibrant, minimalistic, moody, you can make an art. There's a whole lot of designs you can choose, but I'm gonna go back and let it choose the design for me and I'll just select the one that I want. So before I click on generate image, I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna get a square image because we're doing it for a square product image. Click on generate image. See, not bad. So I like this one because this one is a bit more cultural, but I'm gonna tell it to include a piano. I see there's a piano there, but I just want a piano. So you can choose between any of these ones, but I'm gonna say include a piano. Click on generate again. This is not bad at all. I would use this one, but I want to see a piano more because it's Amapiano. So I'm fast forwarding now as I adjust my text so I can get the perfect image. Alright, so I think I like this one. So as you can see, I just try to adjust my prompt or my text until I get the perfect one, but I like this one. So you can just take this picture and stretch it all over this frame here so it can be full, and you can do any editing you want, but I like it like that. This looks so dope for an Amapiano beat. Wow, I'm impressed. Canva AI. So I'm gonna click on share because I'm done, then click on download and select PNG, then download the image. Then I'm gonna go take this image and upload it on my Amapiano beat on my beat store, which I'll be doing on the next video. So yeah, that's how you create a cover art or a beat art for your beat using Canva Magic AI for free. So if you learned something from this video, please click that like button and comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm gonna be dropping more gems. Thank you for watching. I'm out.